Fundytus is here at Ace Auto Repair Shop today on Saturday, November 4th to offer a free tire change to our clients and our trusted partners.
Buying a house is also buying into a community, and Nick Fundytus wants to make sure that that community is comfortable, helpful, and fully ready for all of the love that we have with our clients.
So we're here at Tire Change Day with Nick Fundytus. This is every year. It's a super awesome event. We really appreciate it. Winter tires changed in the winter and the spring.
Hey guys, just wanted to give out a really big thanks for making this tire day one of our best. Really appreciate that. You guys take care of us. We really want to take care of you guys. Thank you very much. We really, really do like the fact that we're meeting our clients out here. You guys are bringing out your kids, you get to bring out your dogs. Conversations we haven't had for a while. We'll see you next year.
Thanks guys, you guys make what we do possible, and it's so great to see everyone gather to be able to chat with you guys and catch up. So thank you for making this event possible, and we'll see you when it's time to change them again in the spring.